Bitcoin targeting its all-time high. Bitcoin hit a 6-month high and was within striking distance of its all-time peak as traders bet the listing of the first Bitcoin futures-based UX exchange-traded fund (ETF) could herald investment flows into cryptocurrencies. In the second week of October, Bitcoin has preserved not only its bullish trajectory but has also sealed its highest weekly close ever, around $61,500. And by the time we're recording this video, it hit its all-time high. We're seeing an historical moment in the crypto market. That's why we should look at 3 important things to be bullish about the Bitcoin uptrend in the coming days. Let's talk about each one of them. Number 1. Bitcoin took less than an hour to back above $60,000. When the run to all-time highs had hit a stumbling block, Bitcoin had resisted. Before BTC had even hit $59,000, bull embarked on an aggressive buying spree. It means that hours later, BTC was back above $60,000, followed by a $62,000 milestone. The historic weekly close now means BTC is well positioned for further upside. Number 2. A 7th straight increase. On October 19th, Bitcoin sealed a 7th consecutive increase. The last time that occurred was in 2019, with the overall uptrend still intact. However, concerns are few and far between amid news that the US now provides a home for the lion's share of Bitcoin mining power. Number 3. A coming supply shock. A supply shock predicts a good year in 2022. This means that you shouldn't look just to price forecasts on what might be possible in Q4 this year. One analyst painting a rosy picture for 2022 is Willy Woo, creator of data resource Woobull and well known for his Bitcoin market cycle research. Woo highlighting Bitcoin increasing scarcity as likely fuel for a sustained price squeeze. Long-term holders already control a near record proportion of the BTC supply, leading to expectations that the fight over the remaining coins will be more heated than ever. Now, another thing that is taking the crypto market by storm is the Bitcoin ETF, and we're going to explain every detail of it right now. Bitcoin ETF. Why is it so important? An exchange-traded fund is an investment fund comprising a pool of assets traded on a stock exchange. Investors are attracted by an ETF because it represents a good opportunity of diversification, protection, and liquidity with lower risks. The Conversation website gives us an amazing example to understand more about an ETF, and we'll use it right here. Suppose you want to invest $100,000 in commercial property. You can't afford to buy an office building or a shopping center by yourself, and even if you could, buying just one building would be putting all your eggs in one basket. An ETF can perfectly help you with that. The manager buys a number of office buildings and shopping centers across a range of locations that are bundled into a fund. Suppose these assets together cost $100 million, so the fund has 1,000 units sold for $100,000 each. It's like buying a share in a company. It allows you to avoid the exposure that comes from buying a single asset. Instead, you get a share of a diversified portfolio. If the value of the portfolio rises, so does the value of your unit. If you want to sell your asset to take your money, it's easy to do it because the fund's units are traded on an exchange. And the same thing is happening with Bitcoin right now. A Bitcoin-based ETF is seen as something that will entice more investors to gamble on cryptocurrency. Bundling up cryptocurrencies into products overseen by traditional funds managers and regulators can be seen to have advantages, bringing greater respectability to cryptocurrency trading. This brings the traditional market closer to the crypto market, increasing the demand for BTC and consequently increasing its price. Of course, something like that is against the decentralized and distributed ideals behind Bitcoin and blockchain technology. However, it helps the crypto market for huge appreciation in Bitcoin and altcoins price. So let's say that some people are willing to ignore centralized investments involving crypto. Now we're going to talk about XRP news and aspects that involve all crypto investors in the US. But before we do that, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, and hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Let's move on. XRP recent updates. XRP price is lagging behind other cryptocurrencies. as Bitcoin has long since begun its rally, recording higher highs. And not by chance, some people are concerned about it. XRP price has crashed 14% from its swing high at $1.18 recorded on October 16, tagging the downside trend line of the prevailing chart pattern. The bull's inability to push prices higher resulted in XRP price crashing 10% on October 18. But a key technical indicator suggests that XRP price would likely tag the topside trend line at $1.17. The first obstacle for XRP price is at the middle boundary of the prevailing chart pattern at $1.09. Another hurdle will emerge at the level at $1.13. The last roadblock could be found at $1.14 before XRP price is able to tag its short-term bullish target at $1.17. Should a spike in buy orders materialize, Ripple may slice above the parallel channel at around $1.19. In a bullish scenario, the bulls could manage to flip this level into support to target $1.28. However, should selling pressure increase, XRP price may retest key support levels before revealing targets on the upside. In the bearish scenario, the price could reach around $1. So the news isn't as bad as some people thought, but pay attention to these crucial levels if you are an XRP holder. Conclusion: if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell if you want to keep getting quality crypto content to help you with your investments. Also, remember to check our links in the description and surprise yourself with amazing gifts and bonuses. That's all for today, and I see you soon. Bye guys!